Alright guys, I'm about to show you how to run your Shopify store with free apps which give you the minimum overhead on your store, because there is free apps out there that do almost the same thing as the paid apps. The only difference that I've noticed is they have a little fewer features, but they still work, guys. The only app that I'm paying for here in this list of apps that I use on my Shopify store, the only one I'm paying for is this Envy Real and Fake Sales pop-ups. Now, I only pay about $2 a month for this app here. So basically, I'm just paying about $32 a month to run my Shopify store, because I have the middle plan, which is like $28 a month, I believe, plus the Envy Real and Fake Sales pop-ups, which puts me, like I said, around $31, $32 a month, which is really low for overhead on a Shopify store, guys. We all know that our stores need a cart abandonment, so I use CareCart. This is a free app. I'm going to show it to you right now. It's loading up. So here it is, and this is a free app for abandoned cart protection. If we go to the dashboard here, now I barely started this store, so haven't gotten much sales yet. I just barely started it. We're barely starting our brand and everything. But here you can see how it works. You can look at all abandoned carts, which there's none right now. And here's how the abandoned cart campaigns work. Pretty simple. I mean, it is a free app, but at least it does give you some abandoned cart protection. I recommend you use these free apps when you first start off with your store. Don't go all out with paid apps, because if you're not getting sales, you want to have the less overhead on your store until you start getting those sales in and you start making money, and then you start upscaling, which that's the goal, right? Once you start upscaling and you're making money, then you can go with the paid apps. But with using these apps that are free, you're good to go. So this app sends 1, 2, and 3 abandoned cart emails, and I'll go ahead and preview it here for you so you can see it. So it'll say right here, hi, seems like you left some items in your cart. Here's what you showed interest in. And you can also click on send test email so you can test it. The second email, and you can modify this the way you want. The second email it sends is, here's what you showed it. Same thing in a way, but it says, smile, your cart is safe, but still misses you. So it works pretty well for a free app. And here's the third one. Your satisfaction is our priority. Complete your purchase while stocks last. So that is the free CareCart abandonment cart recovery app. Let's look at the other apps. Then I have Covet Picks, is what they call it. And this is if you have Instagram. And I know a lot of you guys are probably doing Instagram marketing, trying to build your brand on Instagram. And this way, with this app, you can have a gallery on your store. And here's our gallery. I'll show it to you. So here's our store here. It's called Outgoing Panda. We sell outdoor products. And here, if you go to gallery, you will see it here. And here's our gallery. And here's another, see this pop-up that came up? This is free too. I'll show you that app in a bit. Sign up, get 10% off entire order. This really helps to get emails, get an email list going, and to help your customers get, get engaged with purchases. But anyway, here's our gallery, which works as soon as you post something on Instagram, it'll automatically update on here. Not always though. Sometimes you have to go on here and click on this little update button here, and there it should show. It should show the new one. Can we refresh the page here a little bit? It takes a couple of minutes for it to up. There it is right there. That is our fishing vest that we sell. So now it's updated in there. You have to manually go in there and do that sometimes. There it is now. Boom. All right. Let's go back to the apps. And then the next one, of course, is the Envy Real and Fake Sales pop-ups. This is awesome, guys. I really like this thing. And I have it all set up right here. Let me show you how that works. So if we go to our catalog, let's open up that fishing vest. What I like about this, right here it shows sold in last hour, only 10 left, hurry up, 27 people have in cart, over 7 people are watching. So that hurries up the customer to buy something. And we should see a notification pop up here on the bottom right hand corner saying this person has bought this from this location. Let me refresh the page and you guys should see it pop up. There it is right there. Someone in Las Vegas bought the sunset pendant necklace, and then it disappears really quick. So that tells your customers people are buying from your store and gives them more trust to your store. So that's a really good app right there. The next one is the free persistent car app. I was going to say car. Cart app. So what this does is when customers log in across multiple devices, they will find their cart waiting for them. That's a really good one. We have 5 abandoned shopping carts, and so it even keeps track there. Looks like they have their own app for abandonment cart recovery emails. Alright, so that one just helps. You really don't need to do much with that one. You just put it on there and it works. And then we have the Privy free email pop-ups and alert. This is by far the most the best free app that I have here. It's really powerful, guys. With this you can make use the pop-up that I showed you a while ago. That's what this thing is. I'll show it to you right now. So this pops up right here, boom, and then you could modify it here. So what you can do is offer your customers a 10% off or free shipping, and for exchange of them giving you their email. And then you can later retarget them through that email. Really nice app right there. And again, all these apps are free except for the Envy Real and Fake Sales pop-up. That one's $2. I mean, $2 ain't nothing, guys. And then there's the product reviews app that is actually from Shopify itself. Shopify made it. And I'm opening it right now. Come on. Sometimes Shopify is a little slow. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. So here is the review app. And if you go to the bottom, you'll see it right here. See customer reviews. They haven't put a review here yet, but there it is right there. And a lot of these apps require coding, but there is, if you go to the help section of the app, it'll help you. And it'll show you how to do it. Alright, the next one is Social Boost giveaways. I barely installed this one. I'm still trying to figure this one out, guys. If you guys have any experience using this, let us know how you guys use it. I'm trying to do some giveaways here soon through my Instagram channel and through shoutouts, but I'm still trying to learn how to use it. But that's a good one too, and that one's free. And then last but not least, Tractor by ShopPad. This is the tracking for your customers to track their products. If you go to my website, if we go to my menu here, track my order right here. With this app, they can type in their order number and their email, and they'll be able to track their package wherever it's at. And it's free, guys. I know there's some other ones, some tracking apps for your customers that charge like $10 a month. That is not necessary, guys. Use this one here. It's free. Alright? I mean, it's free. Why wouldn't you use this one? And it's called Tractor. And if you need help, you can go through the starting guide here. The thing about all these free apps is the difference between free and paid is what I noticed, because I've used both already, is that the free ones automatically install without you having to code a lot of stuff. Sometimes minimum coding or sometimes not coding at all. It just works. With these free apps, you're going to have to go in there and change the code, which is not that hard, really, guys. Follow the instructions on the help on the apps, and that will help you get it set up. It's really easy, guys. It's like putting Legos together in a way. But that is how you run your store with abandoned cart recovery protection, the sale pop-ups, which hurries up your customer to buy stuff, the email pop-ups, the messages to put in their email, product reviews, and tracking their item. That's basically all you need to run a store, guys, and it's free. It's all free. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video really helped you guys out that are starting off with Shopify and you're getting frustrated because you're paying for all these apps, but yet you're not getting sales right away. And that's how it is in this game, guys. We're not going to make sales right away. It takes a while to build your brand. It takes a while to save up enough money to start getting good at Facebook ads, doing shoutouts on Instagram, which are just a few of many ways to put your products out there. Thanks for watching, guys. I will post more videos on Shopify. I just wanted to share this really good information. It took me a while to figure out all these free apps for you guys. Hopefully this has given you guys some knowledge, some wisdom, and saves you guys a lot of money. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video.